Greetings from Asktenali, and we will be looking at tips on how to stay ahead. Because every day new challenges are coming up, new opportunities are opening up, and we need to stay ahead of competitors if you want to be successful. Sam, Sam is working. He's working as an executive, sales executive, and he's working in a multinational company, and he wants to know how to stay ahead. So some of the tips, prioritize. So you might have a number of tasks to do, but then you have to rank them based on urgent and important. And once you prioritize, you know what things to take up first. Plan. When you fail to plan, you plan to fail. That's what people say. So planning is a very important activity. Whatever you want to do, plan it out. That will give you an idea of the challenges involved. Delegate. All things need not be done by you. Some of the work can be done by others. So you should be able to delegate effectively. That means delegating the work to the right person. Set smart goals. As I said, once we have goals, only then you can prioritize. And how should we go? How should goals be? They should be smart, specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and time bound. So goals also have to follow a certain path, as I call it. They have to be smart. Structure your day. So what you do is, you know that there are specific hours that it can work very effectively. And because you need some time to take care of yourself, then there is work time which you have allocated, then there is maintenance time. So if you want to achieve or you want to ensure your plans are being successful, you have to structure your day. Select that part of the day where you will be most effective. Value your time. Time management skills. We all need, because time is a very limited resource, and if time is lost, everything is lost. So ensure that you value your time. Every moment of your time should be spent effectively. Be organized. Another thing is, when you don't organize things, you tend to spend a lot of time doing the things effectively, because you'll have to search, you'll have to find where the things are, where the tools of the trader, how to go about it. And if you're not getting it on time, that delays the work, and that delays a lot of professional activities also. Past is gone, future we have not yet seen. Present is a present, that's why it's called a present. Let us live in the moment, and every activity you do today takes care of your future. Past is of memories from which we can learn, we can have wisdom, we can have experience. But the thing is, your action lies right now. So live in the moment and eliminate time wasters. Many of the time, our day is spent or time is spent doing non-important, non-urgent work. So you have to find out which of those time wasters and then probably eliminate that, because these are the things which will help you to empower yourself, keep on learning and staying ahead. Because today there is a lot of competition, new technologies are coming, changes are happening very fast, new policies, new products are coming in, and a lot of things are happening. And they are happening very fast also. It doesn't take a longer time to bring up new products or services. So we are evolving very fast also. So there is a lot of competition. If you want to stay ahead, follow this, and you'll always be ahead in life and in your professional work. We at Asktenali conduct a number of seminars. You are welcome to visit our site www.asktenali.com. Thank you.